Hello everyone, I'm Mehmet from Shining 3D. Now let's dive into what's inside the EinScan Rigil Box. First, the power essentials. We have here the battery compartment together with the cable. And here we have 4 batteries. This is a universal holder, which means that it can be used as a holder for the calibration board as well as a holder for the scanner. And speaking about the calibration, we have a dedicated calibration board on this side which supports 3 calibrations, which is the laser calibration, the infrared calibration and the hybrid calibration, which is crucial to achieve precise scan results. And the calibration board can be placed like this on the holder. We have the Type-C to USB adapter and the Type-C cable. On this side we have 6mm and 3mm markers and as well a marker removal tool. We have the power adapter depending on your region. On this side we have the packing list. And here we have the cleaning cloth. And last but not least, the EinScan Rigil itself. Without a doubt, it's a powerful laser 3D scanner, and with all the accessories, it's ready to tackle any scanning project. Now, let's have a look at the hardware a little bit closer. The EinScan Rigil has an AMOLED screen. Here we have the power button. Here we have 2 infrared cameras and here 2 laser cameras. In the middle, the projectors and the RGB texture camera. Here we have the sound hole, the USB-C port, and even a reset button as well. And here on the bottom, we have the battery compartment. And now we continue with the live demonstration of the EinScan Rigil.